All right, so let's talk about the wrist X and putting. So many people gonna let the club flip a little bit. Instead of rotating around their shoulders this way, they're doing this. They're making it way too handsy. So I'm gonna put the wrist X on my lead wrist. I'm gonna set it to 0. Set up behind the ball. Now for me, it clicks at 0 when I set up, so I might have to move it off to maybe about 5 degrees. Okay, so now I'm set up. If I flip it, I'm gonna hear it. That's a problem. If I don't flip it, I'm not gonna hear it. It's gonna be a much smoother, better stroke. What we don't want is this. We want this. You may not even know you're doing it. You're out there, you're putting all the time, and you're missing putts and you don't know why. Put it on, set it as close to 0 as it'll allow it set up, and see if it's clicking. If it's clicking, you know you can fix it easily. Just use the wrist X.